a furious Godzilla chasing a ship. Will the unlucky ship escape Godzilla's deadly energy beams? Let's get started. In this week's video, we'll go through 5 main steps to complete this super cool Godzilla in a bottle masterpiece. First, I'll sketch out the idea on paper so you can visualize Godzilla hunting down the helpless ship in the middle of the ocean. Next, I'll craft the Godzilla model and break it into smaller parts, head, body, tail, and legs, to fit it inside the bottle more easily. After that, we'll pour the first base layer to securely position Godzilla in place, making sure it's both stable and well-balanced. Once Godzilla is firmly set, we'll pour another layer of resin to complete the diorama. Finally, I'll build a stand for the bottle to give it a polished look, making sure it stays upright while adding an artistic and elegant touch. And there you have it. We've brought this week's idea to life together. Thank you for following along with the entire process from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Amazing TrungX channel so you don't miss out on more exciting DIY projects like this one. Now, take a moment to enjoy the masterpiece we've created together. It's showtime. Also, don't forget that we offer many unique epoxy resin products. Please support us by shopping on our website, www.amazingtrungx.com. Wishing you all a week full of energy. Goodbye.